Yeah, hey there, it's Paul here from freedomtraderpro.com. Now, in this video, I want to talk about, do I need or do you need a new trading strategy? Well, the quick answer to that is no, I don't think you do. Now, the problem with Forex and the problem with it is there's so many different strategies out there, and people think that they fail in one strategy, that the next strategy is going to be better, and they jump from strategy to strategy to strategy, and they still kind of don't get anywhere. Myself included, I've been down that road before. I've been basically shiny object syndrome, where you just kind of look for the latest and greatest strategy that you think is going to be better than the last one. But in reality, you know, you try it out and you don't really seem to be any further ahead. Now, the reason for that, and the reason people do this, is because they're not getting the results that they want. But the reason they're not getting the results that they want is that their mindset is effectively in the wrong place, because trading is 10% skill or 10% strategy and 90% mindset. You know, you're not going to win 100% of the trades, whatever strategy you're in. And the problem is, people come in, they start trading, they lose a couple of trades, oh, this strategy doesn't work, and they jump onto the next one and the next one, and so the kind of cycle continues. Now, once you realize that it's all about mindset and that trading is basically a game of probability, there's no strategy that's going to give you 100% win rate. Yes, some have got a better win rate than others. Some have got different risk to reward to other strategies. They're kind of subjects for other videos. But if you're expecting to win 100% of the trades that you take, it's just kind of not going to happen. So you need to get your mindset in the right place to deal with and deal in probabilities. So that you know you're only going to win 80% of your trades, 50% of your trades, 30% of your trades, whatever it is for the strategy that you're kind of looking at, I guess, or working with. Know what your probabilities are for that strategy and know what you can expect. And once you get that, and once you get your mindset in that right place, that's when you can kind of start to move forward in your trading business. Now, I know you're sat there, is my mindset in the right place? Am I full-time trading? No, I don't claim to be a full-time trader right now, but I will be. And the reason I created this channel is because I wanted people to come on the journey with me. I wanted to kind of create videos on the pitfalls that I found along the way, and that the problems that I found and everything else, so that people can learn hopefully from my journey as well. So, you know, a couple of things. If you're just concentrating on strategy and you're not concentrating on mindset, go and do a couple of things. Read Mark Douglas's Trading in the Zone. That will help you with your strategy and how you can apply your edge to basically, you know, win in the markets effectively. As I say, he talks about the probabilities and all that kind of thing. So go and grab that book, read that book. And he's also got a video series online on YouTube, which I will find the link for actually and put in the description, because it's about 4 hours. I think it's quite a long video, but if you watch that, rather than, you know, if you are finding yourself jumping from strategy to strategy, work on your mindset, because that's where you're going to get the most gains. Or at least go and read that book and watch these videos, and it will change your mindset as to the way you look at the markets and the way you kind of look at everything right now, especially if you're kind of new to trading. So I recommend you go and check those out. So back to the original question, do you need a new strategy? Possibly, but I don't think that's your issue. I think your issue, certainly if you're watching this video and the keywords that you've put in, do you need a new strategy? I don't think that's your problem. I think your problem is probably your mindset. So as I say, go and check out that stuff. Let me know if it's helpful in the comments below, and I will talk to you in another video real soon. Take care.